Hello, friends. Do you like egg rolls? Well, today I'm going to make some egg rolls, but I'm going to also make egg roll bowls. So this is going to be keto friendly and no carb friendly if you want to make it that way. So if you're interested, follow me and let's get cooking. Well, today we're going to make some egg roll, actually egg roll bowls, and I'm going to make some egg rolls also. And this is what I'm going to be using. We decided to use sausage today. Now you could use like ground beef or ground turkey or something like that, but cut up some like pork and do it that way, or chicken, whatever you want to do. But this is what we're trying today. And I'll write the recipe down below. But I decided to do some bowls. Now I took a couple of these egg roll wrappers and I've put them on top of ramekins, 2 ramekins. So I'm gonna put this in the air fryer at 375 for 8 minutes, and we're gonna see how this works. I'm also gonna make some strips out of this egg roll wrappers. I've cut them and put a little wax paper down so they won't stick, and sprayed it with my little sprayer. I love this sprayer. I've got olive oil in there. And anyway, we're going to cook it in the toaster oven, 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, here's a progress report. Here's my little egg roll bowls that I got out of the air fryer. Don't they look cute? And they'll be munchy, good to eat. And there's my egg rolls. Now, I have taken and made up my sauce. This is ginger and soy sauce. And I've chopped up the sliced water chestnuts and the spring onion. And here's the coleslaw. We're getting ready to throw the coleslaw into this mixture. Here's the sausage that's cooked with the onion and garlic. And so next we're going to put the slaw mix in there and let it steam and cook. But I'll show you these too. This is these are good. I've already had a couple, as you can see. But they're pretty good. They're the little strips. Okay, here's the slaw put in there, and you can see the soy sauce that I've put on there. So now we're going to let this cook and I'll cover it and let it steam and cook down. Then I'll add the spring onions and the whatever it is, water chestnuts. Well, here it is, all finished, and I have tasted it. It's really, really good. But what I'm doing now is I'm going to put together a couple of egg rolls. So I've put this here, and I'll fold it up and show you how that looks. We're going to cook them in the air fryer. I'm going to just cook 2 in the air fryer, and we'll go from there. Okay, here's my fun Chinese meal. That is a egg roll bowl plus an egg roll, some rice, and I have the sweet chili sauce with some hot mustard to dip my egg roll in. So that'll be wonderful, I know. And I've got some more egg roll wrappers, and I've got quite a bit of this stuff left over. So I'm gonna be making up some more egg rolls, and I think I'll cook them a little bit and put them in the freezer, and then that way I can just pull them out whenever we decide we need another egg roll. Well, our little Chinese dinner was a major success. Now, I used the egg roll wrappers, so my dinner wasn't keto friendly or no carb friendly, but if you wanted to just put the filling in a bowl and eat it as is without rice or anything else, you would have a no carb, keto friendly meal. So, you can just keep this in mind. For me personally, I like the egg roll wrappers, but it's every person has their own idea. So anyway, but this was really good. So I suggest you give it a try.